Creating successful PPC campaigns. In today's digital landscape, pay-per-click PPC advertising represents one of the most powerful tools in a marketer's arsenal for driving targeted traffic and achieving measurable returns on investment. With digital ad spending projected to surpass $190 billion, 0 cents in 2024, understanding how to create and optimize effective PPC campaigns has become an essential skill for marketing professionals across industries. This presentation will guide you through the fundamental principles and practical strategies needed to develop, implement, and refine successful PPC campaigns that deliver tangible business results. What is PPC and why does it matter? Definition. Pay-per-click is an advertising model where marketers pay a fee each time someone clicks on their ad. It's essentially a way of buying visits to your site rather than attempting to earn those visits organically. Popular platforms. Major PPC platforms include Google Ads, Microsoft Ads, Bing, Meta Ads, Facebook/Instagram, and LinkedIn. Each platform offers unique targeting capabilities and audience demographics. Proven ROI. PPC consistently delivers impressive results, with 76% of marketers reporting significant outcomes from their campaigns. On average, businesses earn $2.00 for every $1.00 spent on PPC advertising. Setting clear campaign objectives. Defined goals. Lead generation, sales, traffic, brand awareness. SMART objectives. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. Business alignment. Direct connection to key performance indicators. Establishing clear objectives is the foundation of any successful PPC campaign. Your goals should be concrete and quantifiable, such as generate 200 qualified leads per month or achieve a 15% increase in online sales within the next quarter. Without specific targets, it becomes impossible to measure success or optimize your campaigns effectively. Take time to align your PPC objectives with broader business goals to ensure your advertising efforts contribute meaningfully to company growth. Keyword research and audience targeting. Essential research tools. Google Keyword Planner, Wash, Terra, Spyful, Moz Keyword Explorer. Keyword strategy. Focus on identifying high-intent keywords with manageable competition levels. These terms typically deliver the highest quality traffic and conversions. Research shows that 63% of PPC clicks come from high-intent keywords that signal clear purchase interest or information gathering purpose. Audience targeting. Develop detailed audience personas based on demographics, interests, behaviors, and purchase intent signals to ensure your ads reach the most relevant users. Combine keyword and audience targeting for maximum campaign effectiveness. Crafting compelling ad copy and creative. Attention-grabbing headlines. Create clear, compelling headlines that immediately communicate value and relevance to searchers. Value propositions. Highlight specific benefits that address customer pain points and differentiate from competitors. Strong call to action. Include clear, action-oriented CTAs that tell users exactly what to do next. Continuous testing. Implement A/B testing to improve conversion rates by up to 50%. Benefit-focused messaging has been shown to increase click-through rates by an average of 27%. Make sure to utilize all available ad extensions, including sitlinks, callouts, and structured snippets, to maximize your ad's visibility and provide additional information to potential customers. Budgeting and bidding strategies. $2.69. Average CPC. Google search ads in 2024, 15-25% conversion lift from smart bidding strategies, 20% budget buffer recommended for testing. Effective budget management requires careful planning of both daily and monthly spending limits according to platform specific guidelines. When determining your budget, consider your campaign objectives, target cost per acquisition, and expected conversion rates. The bidding strategy you choose significantly impacts campaign performance. Manual bidding offers greater control but requires more hands on management, while automated bidding strategies like target CPA, cost per acquisition, or target ROAS, return on ad spend, leverage machine learning to optimize for specific outcomes. Building high converting landing pages. Message consistency. Align landing page content with ad messaging to maintain user intent and reduce bounce rates. Speed optimization. Ensure page loading time is under 3 seconds to prevent user abandonment. Mobile responsiveness. Design for seamless experiences across all devices and screen sizes. Trust signals. Include testimonials, reviews, certifications, and security badges to build credibility. The average conversion rate across industries stands at approximately 3.75%, but optimized landing pages can achieve rates of 10% or higher. Clear, prominent calls to action, and streamlined form fields are essential for maximizing conversions. Launching, tracking, and analytics. Key PPC metrics and benchmarks. Impressions. Number of times your ad is shown. Benchmark varies by industry. Click-through rate. Percentage of impressions that result in clicks. Average benchmark is 1.91% for search. Conversion rate. Percentage of clicks that complete desired action. Average is 3.75% across industries. Cost per acquisition (CPA). Average cost to acquire a conversion. Benchmark varies by industry. Proper tracking setup is crucial for measuring campaign success. Implement Google Analytics, conversion pixels, and UTM parameters to gather comprehensive data on user behavior and campaign performance. Data-driven attribution models are utilized by 70% of top-performing advertisers to understand the full customer journey and allocate budget more effectively. Regular analysis of these metrics enables informed optimization decisions. Optimizing and scaling campaigns. Keyword refinement. Add negative keywords, refine match types, and focus budget on top performers. Add copy iteration. Test new headlines, descriptions, and CTAs based on performance data. Audience expansion. Identify new segments and refine targeting parameters based on conversion data. Budget reallocation. Shift spending toward high-performing campaigns, ad groups, and keywords. Continuous optimization is essential for long-term PPC success. Focus on improving your Google Ads quality score, which can significantly lower your cost per click while maintaining or improving ad position. Regular review of performance data should drive decisions about where to invest additional resources. Best practices and next steps. Start small and focused. Begin with a modest budget targeted at your highest priority keywords and audiences. This approach allows for testing and learning without significant financial risk. Implement regular optimization. Establish a consistent schedule for reviewing performance data and making campaign adjustments. Even small improvements can compound significantly over time. Scale with data-backed decisions. Once you've identified winning strategies, gradually increase budget allocation to successful campaigns while continuing to test new approaches. Case studies demonstrate the potential impact of well-executed PPC campaigns, with one notable example achieving 60% sales growth after just 3 months of strategic optimization. Success requires staying updated with platform changes and continuously testing new features and approaches. Remember that PPC management is both an art and a science, for combining creativity with analytical thinking leads to the most successful outcomes. Start your journey with clear objectives and a commitment to data driven improvement.